New concept photo editing in Picsart.
First of all, open the Picsart and add the background which I can add in the Picsart. After adding the background, add the photo which you want to add in the background. Now increase the size of the photo, then click on razor and raise the extra part of the background of your photo. Now decrease the opacity of the photo, then click on right. Now add another photo and crop this photo, then click on right and erase the background of the photo. Now adjust the photo and click on stickers and add shadow PNG and increase the size of the shadow PNG and place it under the photo, then click on right. Now again click on sticker and add the boy's PNG, then place it under the photo, then click on right. Now click on retouch and select HD portrait,
Then click on right and save the photo.